Hello guys, Frosty Chino here, and today we're going to be playing My Dollhouse. So, let me turn my volume all the way down, almost all the way down, so you can actually hear me better. So, it starts off in just a plain dollhouse. There's a doll on the couch. There's a doll at the counter. There's a doll sitting on the table, or at the table. So, and there's a doll up here. So to actually start the game, you need to go to the attic. Am I up? Yes. So, in order to start the game, we gotta touch this cross. Let's jump down. And there's nothing there no more. The dolls have moved. So, a doll is on the other side, on the opposite side of the table. The doll still stands at the couch, and this stands. And as you can see, there's the Mona Lisa touching the door. And you see the dolls have moved again. Now she's at the stove. She's on the opposite side of the couch, that side of the table. So now, we're going to go up. And you will see one of the doll at the attic. We're going to touch this bed. And as you can see, the doll is up. The attic is accessible, which hints you to go to the attic. But we're not going to the attic just yet. We're just going to show you where the dolls are now. The doll is still sitting at the same position. So is that one. And as you can see, the red-haired doll is gone. Now we're going to go up to the attic. And touching the cross. Jumping back down. And as you can see, the doll from the table, it has completely vanished. The dolls have completely vanished. So now, you have to touch this table, touch this chair right here. And it will be dark. Now, we're going to go upstairs and show you. It's dark, so there's nothing going to be here. We're going to touch the couch. Not the one in front of the TV, this one. Maybe wrong. It was probably this couch, anyway. Okay, now, instead of the couch in front of the TV, it's going to be the couch right here. Nope. Well darn, it's going to be this one again. And it will teleport you to almost to the back of the dollhouse. It is kind of eerie. It really does look eerie. So, as you can see, there's a doll over there. Once you go over there, there's going to be blood and a dark phantom figure. And all the dolls are together in front of a static TV. Luckily, these dolls can't hurt you. But once you go upstairs, it's truly chilling. There's dismembered body parts, which isn't suitable for like a kid's game to begin with. And there's a green square thingy that we can't click. And this is the final stage of My Dollhouse. I can't move. Okay. And that's pretty much it of the dollhouse.